Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma Jam versus Miro. We'll dive into their unique strengths and weaknesses, helping you decide which platform best suits your collaborative needs. We'll explore their interface, available tools, and how they integrate with other services. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which digital whiteboard is the better fit for your team's workflow and creative processes. Figma Jam shines with its deep integration into the Figma design environment. If your team already lives in Figma, Jam offers a frictionless experience, allowing you to jump from brainstorming directly into design work. Its interface is incredibly intuitive, feeling like a natural extension of Figma itself. You'll find familiar tools like sticky notes, shapes, and connectors, making collaboration feel effortless and efficient for design-focused tasks. Miro stands out with its incredible versatility and vast template library, offering over 200 options for almost any collaborative scenario. Its strength lies in its extensive integrations with popular tools like Jira and Google Drive, making it a central hub for diverse teams. Miro supports a broader range of functionalities, from complex diagramming to detailed project planning, making it highly adaptable for large organizations with varied and evolving needs. Ultimately, the better platform depends on your specific needs. If your team is deeply embedded in Figma for design, Jam offers unparalleled integration and a streamlined experience. However, if you need a highly versatile whiteboard with a vast array of templates, extensive third-party integrations, and advanced features for diverse collaborative tasks, Miro is likely your superior choice. Evaluate your team's workflow and existing tools to make the most informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.